Hello and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to draw Jimmy Garoppolo of the Las Vegas Raiders. Jimmy G is his nickname. Jimmy G played college football at Eastern Illinois, was a second-round pick by the New England Patriots, and stayed about 4 seasons as Tom Brady's backup. Then played at San Francisco and went to the Super Bowl, helped that team rebound from some losing records, and now signed with the Las Vegas Raiders. Please subscribe. Thanks for joining us. Let's get started. Find the center of your page up and down, center of your page across. We'll do Jimmy Garoppolo's head up here. So we're going to do our dark marker with a pointed tip. We'll do a jaw going down to a chin, over, up, and up. So kind of a skinnier jaw here. We'll do some ears, some longer, skinnier ears for Jimmy. The side of his head kind of slants out. Give him some wavy, nice hair. I'm sure Jimmy Garoppolo loves his hair. There we go. We have the outline of Jimmy Garoppolo. Let's do a couple of eyes here. We'll do some sideways ovals, 1, sideways oval 2, circle on the inside, circle on the inside. Those stay white. Those are the highlights. We'll do a couple of black outlines on the highlights. And actually, let's do a brown. See if we can find it here. Get a brown marker really quick. We'll do a brown outline on that black outline. So there we go. Just to add a little color to Jimmy Garoppolo's eyes. Okay, go back to the dark marker. We will do some big arches over the eyes. Come straight up, come straight up. He's got bushier, darker eyebrows, so we're gonna exaggerate those. We're gonna go up and to a point. Up and down to a point. Okay, we'll color those in a minute. He's got a long skinny nose, so we're gonna go up. 2 lines that kind of go up in a V shape. Bring it down. Little raindrop. Couple of outlines on the side. We're gonna do a big smile here. Jimmy Garoppolo is known for this big, cheesy smile. We go up, down, and up. So it's kind of this sideways S looking thing. Down, and up to the corner. Okay. There we go. Color in the corners of the mouth, or the corners of the teeth. A couple of smile lines around there. Smile line out from the nose, and let's do the hairline. We'll go up, maybe do a curl right there. I kind of did some squiggles, so we'll color that in dark black in a minute. Let's do, and he's got a beard. We'll do that in the fast forward. Let's do the neck. Come down, slant in, come down, slant in, go to a V. All right, so now let's do some shoulder pads. Bump out, arch out, down, down for the sleeves, over, slant, and bring it down to the waist, slant, up. Okay, let's do a big football over here, curve out into a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers and 1 up here for the thumb. Okay, go down into the football. Go down into the football. So that's the elbow. Down, down. Slanted going down to the wrist. Do his thumb. 1 finger. 2 finger, 3 finger, and into the wrist. He wears these sleeves underneath his jersey, so we'll kind of draw a couple lines there. Let's do a towel on his waist to dry his hands as he's playing. Do his legs, come down and up, down, round, and connect to the waist. Down, down, and arch. So these are skinnier legs. Quarterbacks, we try to make them a little skinnier, slender, longer guys, versus some of the running backs or some of the defensive players will make them wider, make their features more muscular. Okay, so here's his other leg, down, down, and a connection. So let's do some big shoes. 1, 2 tongues for the shoes. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces on that shoe. Bring it to the edge of the page and down, straight across to the ankle, and stop at the heel. Connect to the ankle. Okay? Bring this ankle down to the heel, stop, come straight across to the edge of the page, up, curve, and into the shoelaces. All right, there's Jimmy Garoppolo. Let's do the number 10 for the Raiders here. We're gonna do a white jersey, so let's do straight across, angle down, down, over, down. Make this number 1. Come straight up and connect, okay? Now the number 10 angles down, come straight across, angles down, over, up, straight up, angle, connect. And then just a rectangle on the inside to make the 0 on the number 10. All right, and a couple of stripes will be here on the side of the pant. These stripes will be gray, right? Let's see, gray. They'll be black, sorry. These are black stripes, like this. I'll color it in. The pants will actually be gray, kind of like a Raiders silver. There we go. And black on the top of the socks right here. Leaving the bottom of the socks white. See that? Okay, another stripe over here. Bring it down. Color that in. Let's color in Jimmy Garoppolo's beard, and then we will fast forward with color. So, he's got dark hair. Bring it down to the chin. Kind of some whiskers on the chin, comes down from the lip. Now we're just gonna follow the jaw. He's got these big dimples. Okay. Color in the jawline up to the ear. And it's okay if these are kind of squiggly, rough sketches, because, you know, whiskers aren't perfect. And they can kind of be kind of rough like that. And he's got a mustache that comes over. Mustache that comes over. I go up and down with these lines. Okay. Squiggle that up. Scribble, 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 scribble. Making the beard connection here. All right. There's Jimmy Garoppolo. We're going to color his hair dark, flesh color, brown football, white jersey, black numbers, silver pants, and we will do a couple stripes here for the shoes. We'll color those in as well. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Jimmy Garoppolo, quarterback for the Las Vegas Raiders. Don't forget to subscribe. Fast forward now.